we are gonna pick up a filming crew at the fishing port of San Felipe, and then we're gonna go and patrol the Vaquita refuge.
Hola.
Vaquita. We will have people taking pictures, we will record the position of the vaquita, and straight away I will send all the information to the marine biologist so they have records of the position of the vaquita. We did that last year. Last year we spotted a vaquita after 2 years without any report of sight of the animal. And they were really happy because lots of people in Mexico were losing hope and saying that the vaquita doesn't exist anymore, that it's just a fairy tale. And so that brings a lot of hope. How's it going down here today, Nicole?
It's very exciting. Everything rolls away like that. So now I have to go get that, you know, just keeping it lively up in here.
My name is Sean Bogle. I am the director of the film Souls of the Vermilion Sea, which is a documentary documenting the struggle to save the vaquita. Fantastic meeting Captain Una and crew. We're shooting for 2018 because we're trying to cover the 2-year gillnet ban, as well as a year afterwards, so we can see what the status of the vaquita is. And as much as we hope for a positive outcome, the unknown outcome is kind of what we're trying to wait for.
We just reached the extreme east part of the vaquita refuge, and now we're gonna tack. We're gonna go bow into the wind and pass all the sails to the other side, so we can go all the way to the west. And like this we patrol the vaquita refuge, doing like zigzags.
Well, he said that there were 2 fins at the surface of the water, not really moving, and then just dove in.
Just a black fin coming up.
No.
They look like, but it's not a vaquita.
It is very hard to spot a vaquita, as they don't show behavior like other dolphins. For example, they don't jump, they just come to the surface very shortly. And as there are only a few individuals left, it's even harder to spot one.
The Sea of Cortez is full of marine life, and it's very nice that here we can spot a lot of dolphins. But the problem is that vaquitas are also a marine mammal, and that's why it's very confusing. Sometimes you spot a little something in the horizon and you don't know what it is. It could be a bird, it could be a dolphin. Even if most of the time when we think it's a vaquita, we spot actually a bird or another marine animal. it's important that we never give up and we keep trying. Like, we know vaquitas are around. We just keep try, and one day we'll spot them.
We were about to anchor in the Bay of San Felipe, and we were greeted by several groups of dolphins. It's really wonderful seeing dolphins out in the wild in their home, and so if you love dolphins, please don't support industries that take them from their homes and slaughter families. Don't support aquariums, zoos, and dolphinariums that keep the industry going and keep the slaughter happening, keep taking dolphins out of their home. Watch documentaries like The Cove or Blackfish to learn more and about what you can do.